Hey y'all, I'm just setting my computer so we can get started with the next level of Bandit Wargame. We're on level 13 right now. I am grabbing the password and recording. Let's record. Okay, recording. Let's go. So y'all know I'm on my MacBook. Level goal is the password for the next level is stored in the directory with the path to /etc /bandit underscore pass /bandit 14 and can only be read by user bandit 14 for this level. You don't get the next password, but you get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. Note, the local host is a host name that refers to the machine you are working on. So the machine I'm working on is the one you just seen. And as you know, they give us some commands to help us through the level, helpful reading material. I won't go through that today because it's pretty long and I feel like you guys can go through that. So let's log in. We have our password from the last level and I'm just gonna paste it there. And as always, I like to see what's in our current directory by doing ls. And there it is. It shows us our private key. So let's look at it, SSH. We'll do that by doing cat of the SSH key dot private. And it shows us an entire private key of just mixed up characteristics. We don't have to manipulate these characters. We're just going to be copying these characters as a key so that we can get into our next level. And then we do that by, well, let me show y'all what the manual says for the SSH. The manual for the SSH, it means it's a remote login program. And we have a file. So here, let's see, one of the commands is identify file. They also have log file, but we won't need that one. We are just going to focus on -I, which is identify the file for a private key. Select the file from which the identity private key for public key authentication is read. But basically they're using it to identify the file as being like a password to access somebody else's computer. And like I said, you guys, it's really important that you could go read that resource. Let's see, that reading material that they gave you, because you would understand what in turn is going on when we're sending this private key to the next level. So man SSH. So what we're gonna do is call SSH and identify our private key. Yeah. But we also need a local host. Let's see. So here they tell you how to use, I didn't go over this, but they tell you how to use SSH, and you're going to type SSH, the user host name here, and you're gonna identify that, and then also identify what you want to do. So this -I identify file. to your local host, which would be our machine, but our local host is us accessing the next level, which is Bandit 14. So we'll type SSH Bandit 14 at local host. Bandit 14 at local host dash I, and then our file name, which is the SSH key dot private. Let's see. Cannot create directory. The authenticity of host can't be established. Key fingerprint is dot dot dot. Let me see. Did I type something wrong? Are you sure? Oh, okay. And now it's asking me, are you sure you want to continue connecting to that local host? And we're going to type yes. And we made it in. Voila! So that's our password. Thanks for watching this next level. I know it was short. Hopefully it was great, because I thought it was great. It was easy. And we'll just catch you on the next level and see what's going on. All right, y'all. Bye.